Hey there! Welcome back to our marketing research series. If you're enjoying these deep dives, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. In today's episode, number 31 for those keeping track, we're pulling out the crystal ball and diving into the world of market forecasting and trend analysis. Curious about how businesses prepare for what's around the corner? Let's jump right in. You see, forecasting isn't just about gazing into the future. It's the backbone of informed decision making. Imagine you're a filmmaker. Without understanding your audience's preferences, you'd be shooting in the dark, hoping your film resonates. Market forecasting is the script. Trend analysis is understanding the audience's ever-evolving tastes. Together, they create a blockbuster. Businesses, much like filmmakers, must anticipate the viewer's desires and innovate when a company deciphers where the market is headed. It's like having a sneak preview of the audience's reaction. This ability to peek into the future equips businesses with the insights to craft strategies tailored to resonate. It's like having insider info on the next big thing, way before it even becomes a thing. And here's the cherry on top. While competitors might be scrambling to understand sudden market shifts, those equipped with robust forecasting and trend analysis tools are already 2 steps ahead, sipping their coffee and watching the game unfold. It's not just about predicting the market, it's about shaping it. It's mastery at its finest. But how does one go about this, you ask? Several techniques at play make this all possible. You see, every technique in market forecasting is like a unique lens offering different perspectives of the future. Picture qualitative forecasting as gathering a group of seasoned veterans, people who've been in the field, seen the patterns, felt the changes, and asking them to predict the next big thing. Their collective insights, sprinkled with a review of history and current research, can paint a surprisingly accurate picture. On the other hand, time series analysis is more systematic. It's like a historian poring over chronicles, tracing patterns over time, and then predicting the next big event. By analyzing historical ebbs and flaws, businesses can make educated guesses about the future, plotting their next steps with great confidence. With causal models, think of a scientist in a lab. They'll mix certain elements, see the reactions, and understand the relations. Similarly, these models delve deep into market variables, trying to understand their intricate dance, how a tug in one direction might lead to shifts in another. And then, for those with a flair for drama, there's simulation and scenario planning. It's much like a theater director working on multiple play endings. Businesses draft various market scenarios from the best case to the worst case, ensuring they have a strategy, a script for every possible outcome. So no matter what the market throws at them, they're not improvising on the spot, but delivering a rehearsed, well thought out performance. Remember, in the unpredictable world of business, preparation combined with adaptability is the golden ticket. Alright, let's unpack this a bit more. Now, when you're diving into the world of surveys and interviews, it's not just about asking questions. You're essentially walking into a rich tapestry of experiences and feedback, like stepping into a gallery of stories and emotion. It's the kind of first-hand info that textbooks or databases just can't provide. Industry reports, Think of them as seasoned tour guides. They've seen the evolution, the highs, the lows, and they present this journey in a curated manner. It's a treasure trove of compiled wisdom from various corners of the business realm. Enter the fascinating world of social media. Beyond the entertaining facades of viral trends, there's a layer that mirrors society's ever-evolving preferences. It's akin to an open diary where consumers, knowingly or unknowingly, jot down their likes, dislikes, and wishes. By tuning into this frequency, businesses can almost predict the next big wave. Data mining, for those with a penchant for numbers and patterns, is similar to an archaeological dig. You sift through mountains of information, and every now and then you stumble upon relics, insights so profound that they have the power to pivot entire strategies. Lastly, our expert panels and the Delphi technique. Picture an assembly of the finest minds in the industry, a symposium of thought leaders. It's a brainstorming session on steroids. Each perspective is a puzzle piece, and when put together, it creates a comprehensive view of the future. It's like having a roadmap for uncharted territories. Together, all these tools not only provide a snapshot of the present, but also a treasure trailer of the future, allowing businesses to be ever prepared and ever evolving. And there you have it, the fascinating realm of market forecasting and trend analysis wrapped up. If today's deep dive resonated with you or sparked curiosity, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell. We've got heaps more insight coming your way, with our next stop being marketing analytics and performance metrics. So stick around, and a big thanks for tuning in.